Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. This channel is continuously working for teacher recruitment examination aspirants. We have been taking classes for Karnataka TET, GPSTR, HSTR, and even we have taken few classes for KVS, and also I'm planning to take classes for CTET. So if you are a teacher aspirant and if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and also share it among your other friends who are aspirants of teacher recruitment examinations. Okay, we also have a Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel will be given in the description below this video. Friends, I was just thinking about something which is very inspiring and motivating in this election season. So I thought that I will share it with all of you because you are the ones who are aspiring to clear the teacher recruitment examinations, right? So I admire your dedication and determination because the first step which you have already taken to fulfill your career in teaching is just by watching this class right now, right? You are watching this session right now. It means that you are interested in working hard and clearing your teacher recruitment examinations, right? Maybe it is HSTR, GPSTR or Karnataka TET, correct? So today I want to talk about something very important that is oftenly ignored or neglected when it comes to achieving success. Now, what is that which we neglect usually? It is our health. Yes, you heard it right. It is our health. Okay, I will share a simple example that we all can understand and find inspiring. Now, as we have election season in Karnataka now, right? So we are seeing so many things in news. We are also finding it very interesting to see the road shows and campaigning of politicians in Karnataka, right? So think about a politician who is campaigning for an important election. So what is that they have to do? They have to address large crowds. They have to attend numerous meetings. They have to engage in so many debates in some news channel or some live sessions or with the public. Every single day they have to do this, right? Understand that the demand of such a campaign can be physically and mentally exhausting, right? And after that also there is very tough competition for success. Now we know that many politicians who are campaigning, they are 50 plus, I think, and few are 60 plus, and few are 70 plus old also, and even very few are 80 plus candidates also, right? So they are having ages ranging from 50 to 80. So I was just thinking, it must be very hectic for them in this summer, right? So campaigning with so much age and with so many people day and night, it will not be very easy, right? That's the reason why I was thinking, how is it possible? How are they able to do all this? So after thinking for a while, I thought that surely they all understand the importance of taking care of their health in some disciplined manner. They must be having nutritious meals, they must be doing exercise regularly, and they must be ensuring that they are getting enough rest to recharge their body and mind, right? So this example illustrates the significance of good health in achieving this success. Okay, so just like the politician, as aspiring teachers, you too will face challenges that demand your physical and mental abilities, right? Correct? So you need to have very strong physical and mental capabilities to become a good teacher, right? So, my friends, as you prepare for this teacher recruitment examinations like HSTR or Karnataka TET or GPSTR, I urge you all to remember that success is not solely determined by having academic knowledge like knowledge of physics, chemistry, maths, biology, English, GK or computer science, your health and well-being are also equally important with this academic knowledge. So you have to take care of yourself. In this summertime, you have to drink plenty of water, you have to eat nourishing food, you have to exercise regularly, you need to get enough sleep, and you need to find moments to relax and recharge yourself. Nurture your mind, nurture your body and spirit also, because this is the foundation upon which your teaching career will flourish, right? So if you are healthy only, you can fulfill your dreams. And according to me, this 1 or 1.5 month or something like that, maybe less than that, around 1 month at least we can think, is very very important for you, because even summer vacations are there, you have a lot of time to prepare. So you can start with one disciplined lifestyle if you are not having one. Okay, so first thing is believe in yourselves, work hard, and the last but the most important thing is you have to enjoy a healthy lifestyle. Okay, so I have no doubt that each one of you has the potential to become very very good teacher and make one strong impact on the lives of your future students. But for that, you have to take care of your body, because it is the only place where you all live, correct? So your body is the place where you live, right? So your health is your wealth, and you have to invest this wealth in a wise manner, and then your success will immediately follow you. Okay, so I thought that this is a good opportunity to share this thought with all my friends and subscribers in this channel, and all my students also who are attending my classes, whether they are free classes or paid classes. So thank you all for listening to me. I really hope that you all will imply what all points I have said in this session. Okay, and may you all achieve your dreams. Thank you. All the best. Bye.